everyone, my name is Gunacel M. Lara. This is the thumbnail. 5 literal blueprint for integrity, a step-by-step guide to a corruption-free future. Zero tolerance, full transparency, a practical plan to end corruption. Accountability, first policies and protections for faith, unmasking corruption tools for protections, preventions, and justice. Clean, clean system, strong nations, a framework for ethical leadership. 5 figuratives. Showing seeds of honesty growing society free of graft. From roots to reform uprooting corruptions, cultivating trust, making change, building trust, a new era of open forums. Like the path turning shadow of corruption into beacons of integrity, weaving integrity, stitching transparency into the fabric of society. Advocacy, 5 literal. Ethical leadership is not just about holding a positions of power, but about building that power with dignity, transparency, and a deep commitment to the well-being of others. Ethical leadership by ethical leadership by prioritizing the needs of the community over personal gain. We inspire trust, foster collaborations, and create a future of shared responsibility. Ethical leadership is about making truth decisions with fairness and impact, ensuring that everyone is treated with respect and dignity regardless of their background. Ethical leadership by setting a positive example and holding ourselves to the highlights to the highest standard of conduct. We empower others to do the same. Create a ripple effect of ethical behavior through organization. Ethical leadership about being accountable of our actions, admitting our 5 figurative. Ethical leadership like a compass guiding a ship through stormy seas provides a clear sense of directions, ensuring that we stay true to our value and navigate towards a safe navigate navigate towards a safe harbor. Ethical leadership it's the cornerstones open with which we build a strong and resilient organizations where trust, courage, and individuals are empowered to reach their full potential. Ethical leadership as a beacon of light shining in the darkness, it illuminates towards justice, equality, and fairness. Inspiring others to follow in our footsteps. Ethical leadership, it's the golden thread that waves together the fabric of trust, creating strong bond between leaders and followers, and fostering a culture of collaborations and respect. Ethical leadership, like wellspring wisdom, is provided as, as with knowledge and insight to make sound discussion even in the face of complex challenges and injuries.